Habireho kutangara mbebembezi bwanyuma yori kuri raro rya Kazo Health Center yakana kucoreka ngutine mushaho ariko rarahiraro kandi ubwo harahenju yabashaho etina ari kugiraramu.
How does one to study this? Study what? Leave house, or try house and leave the doctor who is Do you see what I'm doing? These are the cities that we are not going to. This is a new town. And it has come with some other strategies to improve the way how we are building things.
Ahira reri harhenju konko wabere nagituramo akajirugamo bitewe bintu bye byasigaramo. Reverend Samuel Muchaka tugunda abira reri abahira kirekace gutegura enjeji kandi ekatandika kukoresibwa.
Let me tell you this. We are giving you just a few days. We want these doctors to be here. There is no compromise. You tell that doctor who went for study to remove his property. And by saying like that, starting with July, we want to see doctors here at this facility. Wherever he is, he gets to store. It's not a store. It's a house for the medic. Okay?
Kandi hona ivyo vikiriyaho ababuremba nabone betombitira government ababarire gumana batera ngendo ningwa ngo konka bakashanga embazi etari mu iraro rya Buremba Health Center ya Kashato.
Kine kizubute tembazi. Embazi ari kwijaha n'inyendu kuryakira. Konka embazi noshanga nko muntu yarga ngomba utarkwebasa yarga kabingo. Nateka ngo buhereza naza kubwiha. Konko shanga bambwira ngo zo mu clinic aho kwembaste.
Bitori kurabashaha hirareri Dr. Kanji Ramadhan ebyo nabakanise agumizengo n'ubundi nibo bari kuhereza hagana marare mbazi.
Nemibazi kigumire Buremba Health Center firi okureba ngo omubazi ninga narishi essential medicine we are out of stock. Instead we are very grateful nitwe oturi kuherezaho n'amarwariro agandi tukabantumwe abasawo yecho ekyo tukali support you
okwenda konjera kwisi abantu obuhereza government eyombekire bizimbe bibiri hari Kazo Health Center yakana hamwe na Buremba Health Center ya Kashatu kandi ebi bitongozibwe amakuru agagasha kwa Sima Naume omurekazo.